Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can check whether you have a DDR3 RAM or DDR4 RAM on your Windows 10 operating system. So I'm going to show you two ways of determining the RAM, either DDR3 or DDR4 on your Windows 10 operating system. So let's see the first way. First way doesn't work for all Windows operating system versions, but let me show you how you can check the DDR version using this way. So you just need to right click on your taskbar here on the bottom. So right click on the taskbar and then click on task manager. And then if you see this kind of task manager, you need to click on more detail in order to see all the tasks which are running in more details. And then here click on the performance tab. Now when you click on the memory, you will be able to see the memory here, and in most of the cases, if you have the older version of Windows 10 operating system, you will find out here under this 32 GB which type of DDR-RAM you have on your Windows 10 operating system. So in this case, because I have relatively newer version of Windows 10, I don't see this here. So that's why I'm going to show you the second way of finding out whether I have DDR3 or DDR4 RAM, right? So if you see the DDR3 or DDR4 option here, then it's okay. Otherwise, we move to the second way of finding out this on our Windows 10 operating system. Now for the second way, what you need to do is you just need to open your favorite browser and search for CPU-Z on Google search. And then the first link which will appear here will be from cpuid.com. So I'm going to just click on this link. And then what I'd like to do is I like to just download the zip file here. So I'm going to just click on the zip option, which is going to download the zip file of CPU-Z. So just click on download now, which is going to download this zip file. And once this zip file is downloaded, just go to the downloads folder. So let me just wait for the download to complete. And now I'm going to go to the downloads folder. And now I'm going to just extract this zip file by using this extract all option. And I'm going to extract it in my downloads folder itself. You can download it anywhere else, which is going to extract this file. And this file has these two exe files. So I'm going to just click on the CPU-Z x64.exe file, which is going to open this CPUID software. I'm going to minimize this browser also. And once this CPU-Z software opens, when you go to the memory option, you will be able to see type. Under type, you will see which type of RAM you have. So I have DDR4 on my laptop. If you have DDR3, then it will be shown here in this software. So these are two ways of finding out whether you have DDR3 or DDR4 on your Windows 10 operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.